Hello friends, welcome to Timeless Foodies, and here I am Pallavi with a very tasty healthy recipe. It is chicken, liver and gizzard fry. So would you like to know how to make this recipe? So let's get started. Firstly, we'll take a pan and add 1 or 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil, and once it is hot, we'll start adding onions. So I have taken 4 medium-sized chopped onions here, and we will fry it. So now here I have added a little bit of salt so that the onions can become nice and brown. So we'll continue frying it until it is nice and golden brown. Now the onions have turned light brown, so you can see I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder here, and then we'll also add 1 full teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. So we'll continue frying it. Now I've added few curry leaves. You can see I'm continuing to stir it. So I'm doing all this in low flame, and take 4 to 5 green chilies. I have de-seeded them and slit them as well. If you want, you can add more if you want it to be a little spicy. Let's fry it. Liver, which also includes a few pieces of chicken gizzard, very nutritious and good for health. And chicken gizzard takes a little bit of time to cook, so I'm adding that first. So we'll cook that first so that it at least cooks at least 80%, and we'll cover it with a lid now so that it cooks. Now you can see it has partly cooked, so I want to continue cooking it. So I've added a little bit of water, not much, few tablespoons, you can say 2 or 3. Now let's check. You can see it has turned, the color of the gizzard has changed, and it has been cooking for 1 or 2 minutes. So now is the time that we'll be adding the chicken liver. Here it is. I have cut them into small pieces, and then we'll add the chicken liver as well. We'll mix everything well. Now I've mixed everything well, so I'm adding here red chili powder or curry powder, around 1 to 2 teaspoons, and then mix all this well. This dish cooks very fast. It doesn't take much time actually. If you exclude the chicken gizzard, yes, it will be too faster, because chicken liver is quite soft. So I'm also adding a little bit of salt over here. As per your taste, you can add the salt, and mix everything well. I'm adding a little bit of water, around 2 to 3 tablespoons once again, so that the entire gizzard, which was only partly cooked, that is 80%, and both of them cook completely. So I've also covered it with a lid. It just took me 1 minute. You can see now the water is still there and it has not come closer yet. So if you want it to be semi-gravy, you can add the water, otherwise you can skip it and keep it totally dry. I want it to be a little gravy and not completely dry, so add a little bit of water. So let's check the taste now, whether the salt, the spices are all fine. Yay, there's a thumbs up. So do check the taste, and yes, you can see oil has started separating. So I have not covered it with a lid once again. So finally, the final touch, of course, one of the final touch. Now I'm adding 1 full teaspoon of garam masala powder and mix all this well. You can see the dish, the curry, the fry, I'm not getting the names. It's looking amazing and nice aroma as well. It's very good for health, and usually people don't like chicken liver, but if you are one of them, do try this recipe, and I do assure you that you will definitely make this dish again and again. So finally, before serving, garnish it with coriander leaves for the nice aroma. So now the dish is ready for us to eat. You can have with rice, you can have with roti. It's amazing. And if you like this recipe, friends, do hit the like button, and if you are new to this channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon, and you can see the chicken liver is looking amazing. And let me just cut and check if it is cooked and how soft it is. Yes, it is quite soft. I can't resist. It is irresistible dish, quite nutritious as well. It's amazing. So friends, thanks for watching. Take care of yourself. See you in another next video with a beautiful and tasty and healthy recipe. Thumbs up once again. Bye bye.